Alrighty, so what do we have here? This is a deepcool matrexx 55, very nice tower that I have already unpacked. I had it for a while as a project and never got around doing it. There's a site for it. Um, I'm going to go through essentially a lot of the different a lot of the different parts I have here. We got a box of CPUs. We got a box of hard drives. We got two SSDs, both 512. We got a box of fans, what are for the inside, and that's kind of going to be one of our first things. We got two power supplies. Where you're like, oh, wow, two power supplies. Well, realistically spoken, I'm going to build two PCs. I'm currently only building one PC because, well, that's what we're doing. And we have a few different other things. So we have brand new, still in the box, never opened, as you can see, CPU coolers, where we will do a little bit of unpacking on those and then go from there. So, some other fan. There's a bunch of random stuff in here at this point. What we're naturally not going to all touch. Here's a cable. Those cables, but really what we want to get to is this used gigabyte board I bought a few years back. But because I got into a car accident, I never actually opened it and never actually went really into it. So, long story short, we are going to try this out. Hopefully, it will work. Boom. Put this box there. Here we go. It's the first time I actually really look at this. I don't like how towery this is, but we're actually not going to use all those hard drives, so don't need those. And because we don't like how much tower this is, we're going to put this all down. Make this a little bit better. And I am, it's my living room and my space, whatever. It comes fully equipped with CPU, RAM, and everything on this board. Now, one of the first things I'm kind of worried about is, did he or she, whoever done it, put anything underneath it? Nada. How well did that hold up? Well, okay, here. This looks like a burn marked. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this looks kind of burnt. So, I am a little bit worried about this, but you know what? I have never actually ran it, so I cannot complain too much. I mostly bought this just for the actual main board. The rest of this stuff on here was rather secondary, because this is supposed to be one of the better main boards out there. So yeah, that is that. Nothing nowadays, not fancy, but I bought this in 2018, or end of 2017, and it was, in comparison to all the other options, a much better build. So here are fans. I will be using, probably not all of them, but more than enough. I will not be using those fans. There's two more deepcool fans, case fans, and those are also case fans. So we will unpack those in a bit. Now, one thing you probably noticed, and I'm not sure how I managed to screw that pooch, is I was very certain that I bought a motherboard that will support DM2s, because reasons. So that motherboard does not have this. Well, as you can see, this is literally also brand new. This comes fully packaged as I kind of expect a motherboard to be shipped, brand new, or anyway. And, well, we have a faceplate. That's kind of super important. I'm not joking. Seriously. Faceplates are important. SATA cables, that's super important too. Now this is an understatement if I say this is well packaged, I would say. However, I remember this to be brand new, so I'm a bit confused of why this would be in such a crazy package. But I take it. Now, I don't even know how to open that without doing something crazy. And yes, I mean, it might all seem like I don't know where my stuff is, but theoretically, I do know where my shit is. I'm going to be very careful because possible all we want to do is try to cut the tape. Boom. Close that because, you know, safety first. I mean, we at least have drivers, all that wonderful stuff, so I'm not going to complain about it until I really see it. This is extremely well packaged. And I forgot who made this. I would need to look this up, but oh yeah, it's a running X79 with a M2 slot as we were hoping for, and many other fancy things. So this I presume to be the board that really, not sure, one of the boards I'm going to use, this one or the other one. And we get into the CPUs, etc. in a short little while. And I believe that's the... So, this is where we at. That's what we have. I believe I will put this running motherboard away for a while and focus on the Gigabyte motherboard and just use standard SSD hard drives instead of the M2. What? Again, I am very surprised I forgot to do that. Anyway, that's till here. I catch you in the next video.